Hello world, my name is Joshua. I'll be solving 10 days of JavaScript's problem called Day 7 Regular Expressions Part 2. So our task is to complete a function by returning a regular expression that matches any string that satisfies the following conditions. String S starts with the prefix Mr., Mrs., Miss, Dr., or ER, and the remainder of the string consists of one or more upper or lowercase English alphabetic letters, as shown right here. So for example, Mr. X, not that video game character, just an example. Mr. X is true because it follows the same notation, Mr. dot, and it has one or more letter characters. Mrs. dot Y is true, same thing. Dr. hashtag Joseph, which is wrong because it has a hashtag instead of a full stop or a period. Here it's wrong as well because it has a space right before the period. Regular expressions are it's a pattern that you want to find to evaluate or search for a string. Now, to denote that pattern in JavaScript, you do const re equals. Now, two forward slashes. By the way, I choose re because we're returning an re variable value right here, and then we assign that value to be the regular expression object as denoted by two forward slashes. It's going to be Mr., Mrs., Miss, or Dr. ER. I want to put this in a group. And to show that in this group, it could have one of the following examples: Mr., Mrs., Miss, Dr., ER. Now, this pipe right here stands for an OR option, so it could be one of these phrases, Mr., Mrs., Miss, Dr., ER. And we want to make sure it starts with that, so I'm going to put a caret symbol right there, and it has a period right after that. I can't just put a period like this because period in regex could also mean a wildcard character, which means it could be any character, and that's not what it means. It has to be absolutely a period. So I keep out of that sequence, like with the slash right here, to show that it has to be exactly a period, and now it could be one or more letters. So I could do slash W right here, which means it's a word character, plus, which means it could be one or more word characters, and it absolutely continues and has to end $sign. So it could have as many any letters as it wants, but it has to end with a letter too. Now I'll put a semicolon, and let's see if we run the code and see what happens. Passes, submit the code.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Alright guys, I hope you like this content. Please like and subscribe. Regular expressions, it's a little bit tricky. I mean, I only know the easy stuff, to be quite honest, but if you have any questions, please comment below. I'm planning to do more different types of content, like the vlogs or maybe just talking about some random technology stuff. But anyways guys, see you soon. Like and subscribe.